Hello, this is Linda from the DuchessKitchen.com. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to make simple bikini blankets, which will be ready in about 15 minutes. So let's get started. All we need is just 3 ingredients: hot dogs, crescent roll, and egg for egg wash. As you can see, I've gone ahead to open it up, and it is so simple and fun to open. And you roll it out and cut them. I'm making mini pig in a blanket, so I decided to cut some into 2 triangles and some into 3 triangles because I'm using both the big hot dogs and the tiny ones as well. So after cutting them, I just roll them around the sausages or the hot dog as I'm doing above, and as easy as it is ready to be egg washed and baked. It doesn't get easier than that. So egg wash, just beat 1 egg, add a little bit of water, and just whisk it together and apply it on your product. And we're going to bake for about 9 to 10 minutes, depending on your oven, 350. And there we have our baked mini picking blanket. I hope you guys like it and give it a like. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.